Ready to ditch the bulky wallet and embrace the future of payments in Deutschland? This guide will show you how to set up and use Apple Pay in Germany, making your daily transactions smoother and more secure than ever. First things first, let's check if your bank is on board. Many major German banks now support Apple Pay, including Deutsche Bank, Commerzbank, and Sparkasse. Check the Apple Pay website for the most up-to-date list, as it is constantly expanding. Now, to add your card, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner. You can either add a new card or import one you already have on file with Apple. Follow the on-screen instructions, which usually involve verifying your card with your bank via SMS or email. Once your card is added, you are ready to pay. In stores, look for the contactless payment symbol. Simply hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the terminal, and your device will automatically authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You will see a checkmark on the screen and hear a beep confirming the payment. Apple Pay also works online. When shopping on websites or in apps, look for the Apple Pay button during checkout. Tapping the button will prompt you to confirm the payment with your fingerprint or facial recognition, making online purchases incredibly fast and secure. And the best part, Apple Pay is increasingly accepted on German transportation systems. Check with your local transit authority to see if you can use Apple Pay to tap and ride on buses, trains, and subways. While cash is still common, contactless payments are gaining major traction in Germany, making Apple Pay a convenient and secure way to manage your finances on the go. Enjoy the ease of mobile payments in Germany. Explore the links in the description for more information, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.